In this video, we will learn how to delete Google search history in Google Chrome. So let's start. Open your Google Chrome, then click on this three dot menu. Then here click on the settings option. And here the left hand side, just click on the privacy and security option. Then click on the delete browsing data option in privacy and security. Here you can see the Google search history and other forms of activity may be saved in your Google account. When you are signed in, you can delete them anytime. So when you click here, so search history, I just click on this search history, and here you see the Google account is showing in search history because I already log in my Google Gmail account here. Okay, therefore is directly open the search history tab. Okay, so here you can see the history in search history, and these are the search history I searched today, date wise, all Google search history here mentioned. Okay, so if you want to delete it, so here have the calendar icon, just click on it. You can select the date wise also. Suppose if you want to delete the particular date only, you can select here and click on the apply. Then here the filter apply your Google search history. Okay, then click on this drop down arrow and you can delete here. Just click on the delete the selected. If you want to delete today Google search history, you can it. Delete the custom range, you can delete here the custom range. Delete all time, you can delete here. And auto delete on the 18 month, you can also set here. So it's auto deleted your Google search history. So I select here the drop down arrow and click on the delete today. So deletions complete. The activity you selected is being permanently deleted from your Google account and no longer tied to you. So this is a way. I just click on the got it. So this is a way. See here the yesterday Google search is showing now because I delete just today Google search history. Okay, so this is a way you can delete your Google search history in your Google account directly from your Google Chrome. Okay, so hope you understand. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.